So we're at Leffingwell Landing in Cambria, California, fishing with my good buddy Jimmy. Say hi to Anthony, Jimmy.
Hey, Anthony!
Say hello to our friends in Texas, man, right?
Here we go.
We're gonna catch some fish today, man, right? All right. Here's this kayak right here, man. The water's pretty flat and calm. Here's mine. And little to there's a shark warning. There's been a, I guess the kayaker got bumped not too long ago. I think it was dated July 5th. It looks like it was July 5th. Warning expired July 7th. Leffingwell Landing in Cambria, California. Here we are fishing with Jimmy Kayak, man. Woo-hoo! He's a sheephead slayer, man. Yes, sir. Yeah. That was a good one, man. All right, so we're fishing now on the kelp bits right now. See the rolls. Nice. Coming your way. Jimmy's got his first fish this morning. He's got a wonderful, I think it's a gopher, right? Is that what you got? All right. Woohoo! Yeah, it is. That's it, man. Yeah. All right, Jimmy. All right, you guys got a fish on, man. I think it's a gopher, but I got a fish on. Woo-wee! Let's check it out. I think it's a gopher, but oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it's a little gopher. Look at that, guys. It's a little gopher, pretty small. We're gonna toss him back for another day. Oh, wow, man, you got a nice little, what is that, a ling? Oh, nice. Look at that, guys. Woo. Jimmy's got a nice little ling right there, man. He's got a nice ling caught. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, look at that, guys. Wow, hold up, let me get a little. All right, Jimmy. Jimmy's got himself a nice, beautiful little ling cut right there, guys. And it's a keeper, man. That's a keeper for sure. Wow, look at that, guys. Man, oh yeah, that's a beautiful ling cut right there, guys. Fishing at Cambria, Leffingwell Landing. That's a beautiful one. Good job. Good job. So we caught a few gophers today, this morning so far, and a nice ling cut, 27 inches. 27 inches for the record, man. And so, you know, same thing as a bike. Today we parked our mountain bike and gave it a rest and brought the kayaks out, catch some fish. But I'll tell you guys, for the mental health and just relaxing, peace, and it's just so peaceful out here, man. It's so awesome. What do you think, Jimmy? That's it, man. It didn't cost us anything to launch these boats. Didn't have to put gas in it. Just getting out here, man, that's all. All right, he's got another gopher over there. Man, you're just knocking a hick out of him this morning, buddy. Good job. Hold it up in the air. All right. Jimmy's got another one. Oh, nice. Was it another gopher? Awesome. Gopher City out here. bite's been kind of slow today, guys. We got just a few little gophers and 27-inch lingcod. That lingcod's beautiful, man. I think got a fish on. I think it's a gopher. Got a little bitty one. Woo! Little brown. Looks like it. Oh, it's a little gopher. Oh, garnet. Look at that, guys. Yeah. There you guys go. Look at that little baby. Fish on. Fish on. Feels like a little gopher again. Oh, I think it came off. Son of a gun. Yes. Alright, Jimmy's got another one on the line. Oh yeah. Well, it's small. Nice. All right. Good job, man. Right. All right, man. Jimmy's got another big one. Oh, that's a squid. That's funny. Well, the bite's been slow today, guys. Except for the one good sized lingcod. That's real nice. But other than that, it's been real slow. Nice. There's Jimmy's 27-inch lingcod right there, guys. Look at that. Beautiful.